Not only a car, but an iconic British symbol, loved by enthusiasts the world over. A revolutionary design renowned for its shape, speed, and size. But its place of origin is anything but small. Today's Mini is built in a 21st century mega factory, one of the most automated on the planet. With 3 models already in production, the plant is about to introduce one more. A new 2-seater sports car, the Mini Coupe. The Coupe is to be unveiled at the world-renowned Frankfurt Motor Show in just a few months' time. It's a huge challenge to meet this deadline, and there's no room for error.